Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that declares a function that takes two numbers as parameters and print their sum. I'm declaring the function called add numbers and I'm using the def keyword, and in parentheses I'm having two parameters a and b. And whenever this function is called, it is going to print the value a plus b for me. To call this function, I'm typing down the name of the function and then I'm typing down two numbers, so 3 and 7. When I call this function, 3 is placed for A and 7 is placed for B, and A plus B means 3 plus 7, and it is going to print the value of 10 for me because it is 3 plus 7. So when I run this code, I see the output 10. I'm having the another, for example here for you. I'm having add numbers, meaning that I'm typing down the name of the function. I'm passing two numbers, 10 and 20. I run this code, the output is 30. And let me define another function here, exactly like this. So when I'm having add my numbers and I'm having a and b as the argument, oops, sorry, a and b, I'm having the colon. It is going to return a plus b for me. Okay, so when I call this add my numbers function with two values like 100 and 200, so if I run this code, I see the output is 300. So we see here that I'm having another function called add my numbers. The first one was add numbers, and this is a new function that I defined, add my numbers. And in the parentheses, we are having a and b. And this function is going to use a return statement, a plus b. So whenever I call this function is going to return a plus b, and automatically we see the output in the terminal. So this was an example of how to declare a function that does, for example, the sum of two numbers for us. We could either use the print function so that function is going to print the output, or we could use the return statement to have the output of the function. Here I'm printing the output using the print function a plus b. We see 10 and 30 is printed in the output. Here I'm not using the print function, but I'm using the return function, and it is going to return the value a and b, a plus b. So whenever this function is called, this value is going to be returned, and we see the output in the terminal. This was a very good example of how to call a function and how to have a function with print or a return statement to do the job for us. Thank you for watching.